Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change the photo like this. This is the selfie photo, and after using the special prompt, so this pose can be totally changed into this sleeping and dreaming pose, and also show the what thing that she is dreaming of. How to do that? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to access this Gemini AI, and here I will activate the Nano Banana model to create or transform the image. And after that, you can start to upload the picture first like this, and you can choose or select which one of the picture that you want. For example, like this. And also make sure to create the better output. So make sure it also show you the full face of in the picture itself. So it also can maintaining the same face from the previous photo into the output photo. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. So the prompt would be like this, and don't worry because I will also put this prompt into the description box, and you can try this prompt with your version. So basically the prompt would be like this. Transform this photo into a cinematic and realistic scene of a young person in this photo sleeping peacefully in bed. And the person is wearing casual sleepwear, lying on their side and with relaxed expression and natural soft lighting from the nearby window. Above their head, there is the glowing dream bubble showing a joyful, and at this time I would like to show you what things that she's dreaming about or dreaming of is about graduation moment at New York University. But don't worry, from this side you can start to adjust with your what dream that you would like to show into the picture. And in the dream, they are wearing the graduation gown and cap. This is the additional detail to create more natural and also realistic picture. And after that, standing on the stage, receiving a diploma. This is like the venue where the graduation is taking or being run. And after that, with confetti in the air and happy friends in the background. And the lighting would be warm and hopeful. The entire composition looks dreamy yet realistic with smooth blur transition between the sleeping person and the dream bubble. Ultra detailed cinematic lighting, 8K resolution, and realistic human texture. So you can continue to generate this picture and prompt into this Nano Banana, and kindly wait for the process, and also make sure that your connection is good so the rendering or the generation process can run smoothly and fast. And after the generation process, so this will be the output guys. So this look can be even better because you can also refine this prompt over and over again until you find which one the best output that you would like to use, or let's say your download. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and please let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.